What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick Envision remote key fob. This Buick Envision key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if I hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, you see there's this kind of notch or slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is just put my key in that notch like that and then pry up on this back cover like that. Pull the back cover off and then we see our battery right here. And then I'm going to use my key to get under the edge of the battery in one of these two slots. You can put your key in there like that and get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that holder. Grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that and then snap it down into place. Put the back cover on, and I'm going to start the top of the back cover, this part on first. Kind of hook that on there like that. And then snap it down, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.